Welcome to the next video on VEP. In this video, we are going to talk about right to constitutional remedies. Article 32 talks about this. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said this article as the heart and soul of Indian Constitution. So basically, Article 32 talks about that a citizen can move to a court of law if his fundamental rights are denied. So let us see remedies for enforcement of rights conferred by this part, Article 32. And we are talking about fundamental rights. The right to move the Supreme Court by appropriate proceedings for the enforcement of the rights conferred by this part, that is part 3 of Indian Constitution, talking about fundamental rights, is guaranteed. The Supreme Court shall have power to issue directions or orders or writs, including writs in the nature of habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, quo warranto, and certiorari, whichever may be appropriate for the enforcement of any of the rights conferred by this part. So the Supreme Court has the power to issue directions, orders, or writs. So let us look at different kind of writs one by one. So writs are habeas corpus, or we can say that bandi pratyakshikaran. What does it mean? A writ that requires an arrested person to be brought before a magistrate within a stipulated time. So habeas corpus is like that. Next one is mandamus, order from a superior court to a lower court, corporation, or public authority to do what it should do statutory. So mandamus means parmadesh. So this is the order from a superior court to a lower court or corporation or public authority. Next one is prohibition, that is nishedh. What exactly it is? A writ directing a subordinate to stop doing something that law prohibits. Next one is quo warranto, that is adhikar priksha. A writ directing person to show what authorities they have for exercising some right or power. Next one is certiorari, means utpreshan lek. What exactly it is? A writ seeking judicial review by which a higher court can ask a lower court to send a record in a given case for review. So this can be asked. Record can be asked by a higher court to be produced for judicial review. Continuing on discussion of Article 32, without prejudice to the powers conferred on the Supreme Court by clauses 1 and 2, Parliament may by law empower any other court to exercise within the local limits of its jurisdiction all or any of the powers exercisable by the Supreme Court under clause 2. So clause 2 has given the power to Supreme Court to issue order, direction or writs, and writs are what? Habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, quo warranto and certiorari. So Parliament may make law and empower some other court to exercise within its jurisdiction.